Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing my top 5 altcoins that I believe deserve your attention this year. Alright, I'm buying equal amounts of each coin. That's $10 per coin, and now we wait. Will these picks make me money or was this a bad move? We will check back in week. So, first token is VLD or Worldcoin. This project was co-founded by Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, and it's all about digital identity and universal basic income. It's got a lot of hype but also some controversy. Let's grab some and see how it performs. We see the chart, and as you can see, the peak of this coin is $11 per coin. This means that we can potentially multiply our $10 by 10 times. Let's go to CRV. CRV, the token behind Curve Finance, a major decentralized exchange for stablecoins. I have already purchased this coin once, and already in this cycle she gave me 3x's. And as you can see, that coin has undergone correction again, which means it's time to buy it. So, go to next token. Let's talk about Neiro. This meme coin underwent a very strong correction and went back to its original positions before listing on Binance. That means that now we can try to purchase it for our challenge. If we buy now and sell at the peak, we also make 10x's and get $100 for this deal. Of course, I had to include in our challenge another meme coin. This meme coin called WIF or dogwifhat. This one has exploded in popularity, providing that meme coins are still a big part of the crypto space. Higher risk, higher reward. Let's see if it keeps pumping or crashed hard. 8 or 11 per coin. And go to the last token, this token called Chainlink. Let's see this token. Go to home and go to link. Here you can see the chart, and this is one of the biggest infrastructure projects in crypto, providing real-world data to smart contracts. It's been around for years, but is there still room for growth? Let's find out. Alright, our $50 is officially invested across 5 altcoins. Now the only thing left to do is wait and see how they perform. Will we see gains or was it a terrible decision? We will find out soon enough. Bye bye everyone.